Hey, so AMZScout alternative, AMZScout alternatives. What alternatives are there for this Amazon FBA tool called AMZScout? AMZScout is mostly used for product research. It's a nice tool. Actually, I have in the description a playlist of videos that show you how to use AMZScout and the best deals for AMZScout, but some people are looking for alternatives, and I understand. I'm going to share 3 with you in this video. All the alternatives are going to be linked in the description for you with the best offers for them and videos that show you how to use them from A to Z. So the first one would be Helium 10. Helium 10 is a set of tools for Amazon sellers. Does Amazon product research, keyword research, listing optimization, inventory management, sales analytics, PPC, a lot of things. Chrome extension as well. So it's an alternative to AMZScout, Helium 10. In the description, I have the playlist with over 100 videos that show you how to use Helium 10 and free trial of Helium 10, as well as the best discounts. Check it out in the description. Alternative number 2 would be JungleScout. JungleScout is an alternative to AMZScout. Also helps you do product research, keyword research, listing optimization, inventory management, sales analytics, PPC, pretty much similar to Helium 10, a bit more cheaper than Helium 10, and sort of in this similar price range with AMZScout, but definitely cheaper than Helium 10. JungleScout also have a playlist with tutorials that are over 80 videos in this playlist and different discounts for JungleScout as well in the description. And finally, the alternative number 3 is called ZonGuru. Also pretty much does product research, keyword research, listing optimization, and a bunch of different stuff connected to Amazon FBA, kind of all-in-one tool. All of these are all-in-one tools, including AMZScout in a way. So all these alternatives are going to give you pretty much a similar amount of things or even more. So ZonGuru is alternative number 3. There's a tutorials playlist in the description for ZonGuru and the best offer for it. And all the content is there for all the 3 alternatives for AMZScout. And here on the screen, I'm going to make all the tutorial playlist of them to appear. So basically the one by AMZScout, the one by Helium 10, JungleScout, and ZonGuru. So whichever one you pick, and enjoy. And thank you for your support. Good luck.